Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a fascinating look at the Swedish 1 krona coin, one of the most recognizable denominations in Sweden and an interesting piece of Scandinavian monetary history. The word krona means crown, and the Swedish krona has been the country's currency since 1873, when Sweden joined the Scandinavian Monetary Union together with Denmark and Norway. Over the years, the 1 krona coin has gone through many changes in design, size, weight, and composition, making it an interesting series for collectors of Swedish and world coins. Modern Swedish 1 krona coins can feature the portrait of King Carl XVI Gustaf, who has appeared on Swedish circulation coins for decades, along with inscriptions connected to Sweden and the country's national identity. Earlier issues can have different royal portraits and designs, allowing collectors to use the coins as a visual timeline of Sweden's changing monarchy and coinage. One of the most interesting features of Swedish coins is the use of Swedish inscriptions and national symbols, which give the 1 krona a distinctive Scandinavian character. Depending on the year, the reverse can include the Swedish coat of arms, crown imagery, or other national designs, while the date helps identify the exact issue. Collectors should always check the date carefully because different years can have different mintages and levels of availability. The physical specifications of the Swedish 1 krona have also changed over time, so the exact diameter, weight, thickness, and metal composition depend on the particular issue. Some older Swedish Kronor were struck in silver or other traditional coin metals, while later circulation issues used base metal compositions designed for everyday use. This means that an older 1 krona should never be valued simply by its face value without first checking its date and composition. Condition is also extremely important. A heavily circulated coin may have scratches, worn lettering, and flattened design details, while an uncirculated example can retain sharp details and attractive original surfaces. Collectors should examine the royal portrait, date, lettering, national symbols, edge, and overall condition under good lighting. Another exciting area of Swedish 1 krona collecting is searching for varieties and genuine mint errors. These can include double details, off-center strikes, die cracks, clipped planchets, or other unusual production characteristics. However, collectors should remember that scratches, dents, corrosion, and damage that occurred after the coin left the mint are not genuine mint errors. If a coin looks unusual, it is always better to compare it with reliable references before assuming that it is rare or valuable. Swedish coins are also interesting because Sweden has gradually changed its coinage system as technology, economics, and everyday payment habits have developed. Some older 1 krona coins are larger and heavier than modern examples, while later issues were designed to be lighter and more practical for circulation. These changes make Swedish krona collections especially enjoyable because you can see the evolution of the country's currency simply by placing different dates next to each other. The value of a Swedish 1 krona coin depends on its exact date, design, composition, mintage, condition, rarity, and current collector demand. Many common circulation examples may have only a modest collector premium, while older silver issues, scarce dates, special varieties, high-grade coins, and genuine mint errors can attract much greater interest. Collectors should also remember that age alone does not make a coin rare, and a modern coin can sometimes be harder to find in excellent condition than an older circulated example. If you discover a Swedish 1 krona in an old collection or mixed world coin lot, don't clean or polish it in an attempt to make it look new. Cleaning can permanently damage the surface and reduce its numismatic appeal. Instead, handle the coin carefully by its edges and store it in a proper coin holder or capsule. For anyone interested in Scandinavian or world coin collecting, the Swedish 1 krona is an excellent coin to study because it combines royal history, Swedish national identity, changing designs, different metals, and decades of everyday use. A small 1 krona coin may have passed through countless hands in Sweden, but today it can become a fascinating historical object for collectors around the world. So, if you have a Swedish 1 krona coin, check the date, study the portrait and reverse design, examine the condition, and research the exact issue before deciding what it may be worth. You may have a common circulation coin, an older silver issue, a scarce date, or an unusual variety that deserves a closer look. The Swedish 1 krona proves that even a small coin can tell a much bigger story about a country's history, culture, monarchy, and changing economy. Thanks for watching.